70 and the 110, like if the line points to that, you gotta know which one to use. So right angle, like a perfect, like the floor meets the wall, that's 90 degrees. If it's opened up more than that, it's gonna be a bigger number than 90. If it's closed down more than that, it's gonna be a smaller number than 90. If I'm doing number one, you should have like an intersection here of these two. There's even like a little circle there on mine, like right there, and you want to put that right on the dot and line up that bottom line with the bottom line. So the little circle on your protractor, like where the little intersection is, you put it right on top of that point. So I got like 120, but yeah, I'm not going to be precise because we're all kind of estimating. But this line on the bottom here should match up with the line on the bottom of your angle. You put the dot right on the point. And so let's just keep it simple, and let's say it's pointing right there. So it's at 120/60. You got to know to choose 120, not 60, because that is a bigger angle than a right angle. So if I were to just like start opening up my arm like this, it'd be like 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees. Right here would be 90, and then I'm not very flexible, so I can't go much farther, but it'd be like 100, 110, 120. If you go all the way, it's 180. 90 is like halfway, that's like a perfect right angle. Floor meets the wall. Past that, so it's like more open, it's bigger than 90. So this is bigger than a right angle, right? Because a right angle will be here. This opens up like more than that. So you're going to choose the 120. Or if it was the other way, which we'll do a couple of those, you would choose the 60. So this one is 120 degrees, or close. Like if you put 110, 130, we're all kind of estimating. And it is an obtuse angle, which means it is bigger than 90 degrees. So 90 degrees would be here, like perfectly straight up and down. But because we are going to go past that to get to our angle, that's how I know it's obtuse or it's big. The second one's the opposite. So a right angle would be here. This would be 90 degrees. But we're not going to make it all the way to 90 degrees. We're going to be less. So that's called an acute angle. So your answer can't be bigger than 90. So let's see what I'll put my little intersection point right on there. Line up the line on the bottom with my line. And it's like right here. So am I going to choose the 75 or the 105? I'm going to choose the 75 because I know this has to be less than 90 degrees. And you might have put 80, 85, like 70. We're all kind of estimating, right? But it should be somewhere around there. Does that make sense what I'm doing? Maybe, yes, no. Right at number 3, so first of all, is this going to be bigger than 90 or less than 90? It's less. So what's that called if it's less than 90? Acute angle. You don't have to write the less than 90, I'm just doing it like so I can show you. Put your little thing on the bottom here, line it up. Mine blasts right through here. My choice is at 35 or 145. But I know it has to be less than 90. So I'm choosing the 35. Okay at the front? So I think you guys can go up to number 10, let's do a couple more. I think you can go all the way to 30 almost, but let's go to like 11. Jump to 11. So remember, acute means less than 90. Obtuse means more than 90. Right means 90, like this guy. And straight is just just like a line, a straight line. So 11, what would we say? Acute, obtuse, right, or straight? Acute? Why'd you say acute? It's less than 90, it's like closed down more. Number 17. What would 17 be? What is it? Straight. That's straight. Number 14. Right angle. Number 23. Obtuse because it's bigger than 90. Good stuff. You get go up to the 30. That seems like a lot of problems, but they go pretty fast. Yeah, do we just do it here? Where do we? So we just go look at the computer lab or something. That's kind of like. I love a laptop, but is there? Then yeah. All right. Oh, yeah, the computer lab. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. If I can help, measure it or whatever. You should be able to do like no, the whole worksheet up to 30, so including I skipped over some of them, right? So start back at the beginning and go up to number 30. My bad, I didn't make that clear. Make sure you go back. I didn't say that very well, but I want you to start at the beginning and go up to number 30. Some of the ones you're measuring on the multiple choice, you don't always need to measure it, but the multiple choice kind of gives it away sometimes. You can save yourself some time, go for it. No, you just say it's then you don't do that. Eventually, but we're not done yet. We're gonna do the whole worksheet. Then we're gonna play a game. Big day. probably like just a few more minutes is good on this. Those are the slowest ones, like where you have to measure. Right. So you're close. All right, let's keep going. Well, let's check them first, I guess. So, the back of the first page where we're doing the measurements. Oh, I only gave you 3 to measure, didn't I? That didn't copy. Oh, whatever. Okay. So then I got DDGB on this first page. And so, like, you don't. This is what I mean. You don't necessarily have to measure these. Like, this is a really small angle. This is 90. Halfway between 90 and 0. So, like, this would be 45. And we're even less than that. The only one that's even close is 10. So you don't always have to measure them. But it's fine. So DDDB, first page, good. And then I got BDAAB. Good there? Alright. Oh, I didn't even do number 10. So number 10 is B. And then I'll just read through these. So 11 is acute, 12 is acute, 13 obtuse, 14 right, 15 acute, 16 obtuse, 17 is straight, 18 acute, 19 obtuse, 20 acute. Those okay? 21 is right, 22 is obtuse, 23 is obtuse, 24 is straight, 25 is acute, 26 is acute, 27 is acute, 28 is obtuse, 29 is acute, and 30 is acute. Alright, 31. So the vertex on the sides is actually vertex in the rays. Well, I guess you can do it either way. So every angle takes, well, it takes 3 points to make an angle. You don't always name it that way. But this is good. These 3 points are my angle, and the vertex is always the one in the middle. So the vertex here in the first one is that an M? My arrow is like over the top. Thank you. Vertex is M. And then I'm going to have ray MN. So that's this one that goes from M through N. What's my other? Remember you put like, there's not an arrow with the M and there is an arrow next to the N. What's my other ray there? ML, because I just go the other direction. If I do 32, my vertex is, I covered it up again with the arrow. The E. My vertex is E. And then I've got a ray EF. That's this guy going up there forever. And I've got a ray ED. Let's go that way forever. So go ahead and do 33 and 34. vertex is M again. It's the one in the middle, and then you've got MN. It's actually the same answer as 31. MN and ML. 34. Vertex is R. And then you've got ray RS and ray RQ. Those two okay? Alright, 33, naming the angle. Or 35, naming the angle. So there's 4 ways to name this angle. You can name the angle with just the vertex. So I could call this angle J. That's an angle sign right here. This little angle J. If there's a number by the vertex, you can also call it that. So I could call this angle 4. And the other way you can name an angle is using all 3 letters. And the vertex has to be in the middle. So I could say IJK, or I could say KJI. Both of those are okay. The vertex has to be the middle letter.
When you put IJK, would you still put your little sign at the top that goes to the right?
This thing?
No.
No, you don't put the, it's not a ray. So the angle is like in place of that. So these are all the 4 ways. So you can use the vertex by itself, the number of the vertex by itself, or you're starting off on like one side of the angle, going through the middle and the other way. So IJK, or reverse, so KJI. Is that okay? We'll do the next 3 then. We'll check those. Knocking this out. So I'll do 36 in case you're stuck. I'll put, maybe this will help you. So check your answer at 36. Make sure you're doing it right. If you're not, let me know. At me. Hold that. The answers are up there, but if you're not understanding why they are, we got one more little section, and then I got a couple like computer activities. Want to gain extra credit possibilities. Naming angles, okay? So the next part is interior, exterior, or on the angle. So you're gonna draw a little like arc between the two parts of your angle. If the point is in that part, it's interior. If the point's not in that part, it's exterior. So interior just means inside. So is this point P inside of this angle? If it's not, it's outside of the angle, which is what exterior means. 39 is exterior. 40, that point P, is it like inside that angle, in between the two, or is it outside? Now it's inside, so we would say that's interior. Is that good enough? Like, can we finish? Or should I go through another one? Good? I know I'm good. I know how to do it. that like a? What is that? I thought it was an hourglass, but then it wasn't like yeah, it wasn't working. So I was like, it's a crappy hourglass. So it just like falls.
Pretty confident in
46 is still inside because it's like in between. Back page is actually all interior except for number 43. Just recycle it. Those okay? Alright, go ahead and go to Schoology. And I've actually never used this program before, so I'm not quite sure how this is going to work, but I think it'll be cool. We'll give it a shot. Yeah, let's do that. I don't have a slot for it yet, so give me like 30 seconds. But you guys should get points for that, yeah. You were here at the start of class, or you were like,
Why is that 33?
you were like a minute, yeah.
I was just making sure.
Yeah, no, you're good. So what should I call that? Like worksheet or notes? Worksheet. Your packet. Yeah, and there's a video you can watch. I can answer quick questions for you. I just can't go through the whole thing, you know. Alright, go ahead and hit refresh if you're at Schoology, or go to Schoology and submit that. I'll give you a couple minutes for that, and then we'll start. Try this kind of activity thing. Yeah, I know. I want it to be. I got one so far. E-Rig's the only one getting credit. Oh, the projector? Sure. Can you bring it back? I'm not gonna lose it. Those cost almost 10 cents, so you can't lose it. I can't afford to replace it. Almost. Yeah, we're fine. We have like hundreds of them. You can take it. Just take it. Still, I have 3. What the heck, man? There is like 5 pages. Alright. Well, these people have already done it. Alright, I'll be a little more patient. Hey, whoa. What? Hurt my brain. Look at these people. They have better Wi-Fi than you? Ethan, give me like a couple minutes before you go. I want to show you the next thing. I wonder if there's a certain part of the room where the Wi-Fi is faster. Yours up there now? Okay. I mean, what student is going to be like happy that they're downloading Schoology? Nobody. They're all 1 star. Okay. where it says Friday 9:15. Not the worksheet, but like it's got the little bubbles there, like a discussion. I'm circling it with my mouse pointer thing. You can, yeah. Click on that, and then you're going to click on this GeoGebra 1. GeoGebra 1. And then, that's not what yours looks like, is it?
No, mine says
It says sign in. So either one. So put your name, it's fine. But I look at it and grade it, so don't put like a nickname that I don't know. Play a game. Again, put your name, not Big Lover 12 or something. I don't know who that is. You're still trying to load the picture. Okay. Don't start yet, because I want to show you what you're doing first. Did you start already? So you can start, I guess, but it's a contest. You get 20 attempts. Whoever gets the most points is going to get extra credit. So like this one says draw an angle of 3 degrees. So I'm going to try my best to draw an angle of 3 degrees. I actually got it perfect. So I get 5 points. That's my first attempt. Now it says 61, so you're trying to as best you can. Do you guys say like the same numbers as mine, or is it different? Like everyone's different. Mine was 94. So they're probably all different then. Killing me, man. Go to Schoology. Click on Friday 9:15. I said it like 915 times. What's up, Mr. Kraft? So let's do this. When you get 20, tell me your highest score. And then we'll just keep seeing who beats it, who beats it, who beats it, who beats it.
So she's using this for variance, this for standard deviation. But then like in the computer, or in the calculator.
So this is sample, this is population.
Okay. So I gotta
I've
keep
never
remembering
seen-
there's
We don't use that ever as a symbol for variance. I mean, I guess it is the symbol, but I've never written that out in my life.
and it doesn't show up like on an AP test or anything like
It would just say like, what's the variance? But these definitely do.
that. Those two.
Yeah.
So that's standard deviation of a sample.
Yeah. That's for sample, like that helps, right? Yep. Milan High School. Junior Mountain Area Schools. Mountain High School. One. Hey. Oh, scared. Oh, no. She's not in high school there. What'd you get? Oh, okay. Alright, we'll do this. If you beat me, you get 5 points. If you have the highest score in the class, you get 5 points. So if you beat me and have the highest score, you'll get 10. Extra credit. Extra credit. You gotta do the assignment to get like your normal points. But if you beat me, I'll give you 5 extra. If you get the highest in the class, I'll give you 5 more. 20 attempts. 20 attempts. 20 attempts. So you gotta show me your screen with 20 attempts. You guys see in the bottom left-hand corner how it says attempts? Like mine says attempts equals 4. You play 20 times, add up your total points. Dang. But But you could also get the high score in the class and get 5 bucks credit points.
I figured out I hit Iowa and Indy again.
Indiana. What do we got? 46? That's 20 attempts. So that's the current record. So like freeze it or take a screenshot of it or something before you move on. Dang it. Perfect. Good morning, Andres. He said thank you. Who said good morning, thank you? Me? No. That's about as fail as you're going to see. Perfection. I beat Riddle. 49's your final? Not yet? Dang it. I missed by 1. Bam. Oh. What you got? 69? Are you serious? That might beat me. I'm not done. 67? No, I got one more. Oh, no, I got 65. Okay. I got 65. You beat 65, let me know. For 20 attempts? That's 21 attempts. Okay, so I get to go again. No, it says attempts equals 20. No, I don't. It says attempts equals 20. I'm done. Yeah. Okay. Well, then I'm going to beat you. I'm thinking. All right, so I got 68. Yours is 67?
Yeah.
What'd you get? That might be 67 or 68.
Yeah.
67 is the high. Might be 67. All right, Gruber gets extra credit. No. Go back to. No, you're not. Because I graded your test and I put your grades in every day. All right, go back to Schoology, please. So there's GeoGebra 2. So Click on GeoGebra 2, go to that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch the language.
And this is the naming the angles stuff. It's not a race.
Bro.
Wait,
The highest amount of points I can get in one turn, only 3.
5. Did I like do this wrong, or is it just done after one question? Did anybody get to like a second question? There, so I think
Oh.
I take them back out.
Oh, come on. 139. 139. Ugh.
Oh, I see. Okay. I see. Okay. So I want you to go until you get 24 points for your score. So see at the bottom, like my total score is 6 in one game. Is it really bad?
Really bad.
Like it's so we just skip it. It's too annoying. All right, let's try GeoGebra 3.
Alright, our final score is 39.
Okay, nobody cares. You can't just keep shouting out your score. Try GeoGebra 3 and see if that's like less laggy. I think this is less laggy. So your job here is to get 10 correct. So don't worry about GeoGebra 2. I guess that sucks with your Chromebooks. So GeoGebra 3, get 10 correct. Or it's actually like a one where they join together.
God. You are not right.
Morning, Andres.
Well, the extra.
How much is it? Getting 10 points. Good. You know why? Because you're not failing the class. Liar. I know.
Ah, I did.
I'm just kidding.
How do I get to that part?
This one I'm doing here. No, you're not doing anything else. I'm like trying to figure out what to do instead of that number 2, but you guys don't have to worry about it because the link isn't there and I didn't set it up or anything.
I'm stuck on this thing. It's not like.
Did you take a picture of it and turn it in? Then you're all good.
Am I meant to be stuck on this screen?
gotten 10 points on GeoGebra. It was called GeoGebra 3. You are all good. 15 like points? Oh, that just means you didn't follow instructions. You want extra credit for
I got 62.
62? It's second eye. Not enough for extra credit. That's good. Once you have 10 points, you're done. So I can like log out and see the points you got. Do you know how to use Protract? I'll show you. So this actually says like so this is either 65 or 120 or 150. No, this is smaller than that. So this is like right. If this angle is like closed more than that, your angle is less than that. You don't worry about my recordings, sir. I got it all under control.